Hello guys, my name is Shaima. So today I will show you how to create cornice on the cabinet together with the wall. Okay, something like this, right? You can create cornice along the wall and on top of the cabinet. So here you can go to kitchen cabinet design. Okay, drag some wall cabinet on the wall. Okay, so here you can select the cabinet. Okay, make sure you adjust the size first. Okay, this one will involve a lot of sizing. Okay, you need to remember the size. Okay, remember the width, depth and height of the cabinet. Okay, so make sure you adjust your wall height first. Okay, current story height, mine is 2008. Okay, you must remember your wall height, 2008. Okay, so here you can select your cabinet. Okay, you see the elevation here, the height from the floor. Okay, and then the height from the ceiling is 300. Okay, remember all the size. Okay, make sure your wall cabinet is napped to each other, no gap between them. Okay, no spacing. Alright, so then you can go to 2D view. Okay, so this is our cabinet. Okay, you can go return, go to floor plan. Right, scroll down, you will see beam. Okay, this one, drag beam to the cabinet. Okay, you need to resize the beam to the cabinet size. Okay, exactly follow the cabinet size. So the length here 800 plus 800. Okay, 1600. Okay, and make sure you untick proportion here. And then the depth, okay, remember the depth is 330. Okay, the depth of the cabinet is 330. So change the beam to 330 lah. Okay, the width. Here you can adjust your beam, move it inside. Okay, if cannot move, you can hold control button and move it. Okay, hold control button, move it. Okay, make sure it stick to the wall. Alright, done. Okay, so here you can see, go to room view just to make sure it aligns with the cabinet. Okay, make sure the beam aligns with the cabinet. Okay, if didn't align, you can go back to kitchen cabinet design. See the distance between the cabinet and the wall. Okay, the distance is 760. So you can go return, go back to 2D view, select the beam. Okay, set the distance 760. Okay, same as the distance on the wall on the cabinet just now. Okay, so here I will adjust the width. You can add 18. Okay, for the door panel of the cabinet. Okay, 3, 4, 8. Right. So here you can go back to room view. Okay, go back to room view. So this is the beam. Make sure the beam stick on the ceiling. Okay. Alright, so make sure it aligns with the cabinet and it stick to the ceiling. Then you can go to customize, go inside ceiling function, double click on the ceiling. Okay, go to ceiling design. Right, so you will see the beam here. This is the beam. Alright, you can select your ceiling here, draw using polyline. This one, draw polylines. Okay, just follow back the ceiling shape. Okay, draw a line over here. Right, just follow back the ceiling shape. No need to draw on the beam side. Then connect it to the first point you start. Okay, right click to cancel. Okay, then you can select the shape, select the ceiling. Okay, you must transfer to area. Okay, make sure you transfer to area first, then you can select again. It will become a ceiling here. Okay, so this is ceiling, not polyline anymore. Okay, then you can go to section library on your left side. Go to section library. Okay, you can select the cornice pattern. Okay, you can go to decorative line. Okay, select any pattern you like, right? Or you can go to corner line. Okay, I will use this one. Just drag it to the ceiling. Okay, just drag it to the ceiling. You can see here. Okay, on top of the cabinet also got cornice here, right? Okay, you can select the cornice. Okay, you can adjust here. Here you can rotate 45 degree. Okay, rotate. So you can adjust the thickness. Okay, the width of the cornice and the thickness. Okay, let's say I change the thickness to 70. Right, you can change. Then here you can mirror it. Okay, you can flip it vertically or horizontally. Okay, and then down here you can change the material. Okay, you can choose other color. Okay, like this one. Okay, so it will change to this color. Alright, so here you can click return. Okay, here if you don't want, you can click and delete. Okay, right click, delete. Okay, you can go back, double click on the ceiling, drag another pattern of cornice. Okay, right, remember, if you want to delete, right click, press delete button. Right, so you guys can try out. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Bye bye guys.